Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all made it another week, man. Another rough week. This week was actually decent, to be honest. Um, but we're gonna buy these growth stocks, man. Buy these dividend stocks. Get paid for holding shares. Hit a swing trade here and there. Remember, you're the CEO of your portfolio, but I will lead you to the promised land. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel. Also, let's get to it. See, the market is coming down. I think the inflation thing came out today. I didn't really read into it, but it's regardless what happens in the economy, you got to trade the market you in. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Let's get to it. I sold some Wendy's today. Like I was telling y'all, one thing I noticed is, whatever stock you trade, man, especially when you swing trading it, it most likely has the same pattern over and over. Why they call it rinse and repeat, because you can do it over and over. Like this one here. One thing about Wendy's, I've been trading this for years. Just I noticed a long time ago is the average trade value, which you see is 7.94 million, which is a lot of transactions a day are just trading the sideways pattern. Like it's trading, see the day's high was 719, the low 688. It trades between, I want to see, I give it 722. Most time I set my sell limits at 7.18. I buy like between the $7 and the 670ish range, which is goes to 52 at low 667. Today it hit 688. I bought some at 690 today. Bought some at 694, just accumulating some shares for me to sell. Gonna make, if you buy it at 688, go to 718, you made, what's that is, 38 cents, with 30 cents a share. So that's not bad. You're just gonna make money on volume, but especially if you need to lower your average cost, not a bad technique to use. I used it, and as you see right now, I got 261 shares at $6.93. So I'm gonna rinse and repeat it. One thing about it's a dividend stock, so if you get caught up in it, at least you get a 7.89% dividend for holding shares. P ratio is 8.3, meaning you got to invest $8 to make $1. That's how you look at price to earnings. If it's 100, you gotta invest $100. You gotta invest $100 to make $1. This one here, you gotta invest $8 to make $1. So the lower the PE rate ratio, the better the buy, the undervalued the stock is. Anyway, man, I put an order in at 688, just accumulate some couple shares. Like I said, I'm already at 693. If it goes and squeezes to $8, I'm gonna sell it, be in the green, and rinse and repeat if it come back down. But that was the only one I actually brought today. Let's go in and get the trade, man. We're gonna go with let's start with MSFT, Microsoft, man. It's gonna be a growth stock, growth play. We also gonna buy the option on it, the cover call ETF. This got it's at 370, got a 52 high, $555.45. So you know that's a no-brainer. We can go MSFO. Just doing options on it. I think I got this on recurring. $2 a day recurring. It's at 1147, which is probably as 52 low is 1114. But definitely got to buy at these prices here. I'm gonna get another $2 worth, even though it's gonna take $2 already. Double down on it at these prices. Gonna get paid every week for holding MSFO. We're gonna hit TU, Telus. Gonna go in at I think 1169. TU. Come on, let's roll now. Keep up with me. All right, they put this at they lowered the price target to $12. It's Canadian communication stock. I'm definitely gonna gobble it up under the $12 mark. Why am I buying it? 10.26% dividend yield, 52 high, 1674. Got some upside with it. They supposed to be doing stuff for the data stuff for AI too. Supposed to branch out into that. So when I'm buying bull, second. Bull down to $4.95. Just gonna go get a little piece of this. Ain't got to get a lot. Prefer it to come lower, but let's get me $3 worth. All right, we're gonna go with XLF. Financial sector ETF 5066 at 5068. We got a 52 high of $50 and 52-week high at $56. These are the 10 holdings. You can pause that video and watch it. I'm gonna keep on going. Get through this trade so we can get through the weekend. GIS, General Mills, go get you some of that. This definitely came down today. I think I got some at $35.92. It's at $35.89. About to go get me some more of that. Dividend play, 6.56% yield. Hood. Let's go with Hood. $68.28. You know what it came down to? I got something like $68.78. Back down again. Definitely gonna touch up on this one. Definitely swing trading this at $78. All the shares I'm buying now. As you can see, I got a sale order right here already. 20 shares for $78. I need to add the other 5 into it. Make me $10 a share. Just to lower my average cost. Rinse and repeat like everybody else doing. KLIP. Clip, get you $10 worth for this while it's riding back up. I'm gonna ride this stock on up. Lower my average cost, meet it in the middle. I'm at $32 now. SoFi, if you want to go get you some of that, you know this the Bank of the Future. Got down to $16.10 today. $16.20. Go get me a little piece of that. Next, we're going to go with Spit. You know, anything dealing with S&P 500, you cannot lose. We're at $16.65 today. SRLN, one of my safe plays. Got like a 7.5% dividend yield. Pay out every month, 25 to 28 cents a share. Get you some of that. This is the trading range. Trade between 39.39 and 41.67. Just a safe cash flow plays for y'all that need to come down to IWMY. 1875 today. I'm at 1981. All right, that pays out every week. Let's go check QQQY, see what the QQQ doing. Got this on $2 a day recurring also. I'm at 23.12. Get a piece of that, knock that down. All right, we're gonna go with FLO, Flowers Food. A nice juicy yield right about now, 12.16%. Lower the price target to 8 from 10. That doesn't mean nothing. This could still go the $9. That's my plan. Swing trading at that, or just keep it for the dividend. It's kind of risky one there, so take your picks. HRL Dividend King, $20.88. 5.5% dividend yield. 52-week high is $31.86. 2062 is the 52-week low. Like I said in yesterday's video and in the past in general, the food sector is getting beat up. I'm going to give you 4 stocks. KHC, Kraft Heinz, General Mills, GIS, HRL, Hormel, and Flowers Food, FLO, both are dividend plays, but they are getting beat down. They still in the food industry, that sector. I just can't stand it, but I'm going to trade myself up out of them, and I'm going to be done. But some people keep them for the long term and the long haul. Also, CLX, that's Clorox. Campbell's Soup is another one that's good. Good dividend, but getting whooped. So those are some more for you to buy. Keep it for the dividend. You're not going to get much price appreciation out of it, meaning price growth, but it is what it is. SVOL pays 28 to 30 cents a share a month, depending on the share price. 15.77. I'm at 16.16. So give me a little piece of that. Definitely got to have that monthly cash flow there. We're going to go with Earn, 8 cents a share every month. It's at $4.60. We're going to go in that. Then it came down to $4.59. Gobbling this up before it go back to the $5 range. So gonna leave that there. Also gonna go and get me a little, well, it's gonna hit that anyway. I ain't got to do that. Earn, all right, Nike. You know, Nike is the zombie stock. People are jumping in at these prices. Got down to $42.95. You'll get me $20 worth. So we're gonna get some Tesla. 344.64. About to go and get some more of that. Another portfolio. 498.83 is the 52-week high. So got to get Tesla, buy that and hold it. That's a buy and hold stock anyway. You know, Elon Musk got the new chip company trying to do. Got TSLY. Tesla down, so you got to go get you some of this. And once Tesla go back up, this going to go back up also. Then we got MS, FTO, all that stuff. So that's it. Go check our traps. We can get on out of here, get to the weekend. Well, it was a nice green day, man. It came on down. Did get out of some bank stocks. I got out of Citigroup and all that stuff. I go ahead and close my position on this one because I'm done with it. Take that and run. I got another position in my Cash App portfolio. Another one I want to show y'all, INTC, has been ripping. I got out of my position of this portfolio earlier this week, but I hit a new 52-week high, 63.39. Still got some way to go. They're calling this the new Nvidia. I got another position in my Cash App portfolio. Well, let's get through the trade for the day. I did set sell limits on all these banks you see. I'm getting up out of those too. So I got those set at the 52-week highs. So we'll be making my exit out of those. SCM got to get some more of this every day. 16% dividend yield, pay out every month. And the dividend payment right there. How much does it pay every month? Just to show you 11.3 cents. It's gonna call it 11. I'm gonna show y'all this dividend yield. Come on, Robin Hood, man. What you got going on? Sorry about that, but I don't control the app nor the internet. 16.5% dividend yield. So you notice the oil stocks coming down. USOY came down. Netflix having a good run. It's back over $100. Got that on recurring investment already anyway. Ain't got to bother with that. Got Spit. One from Wendy's. Waste Management liking this coming. Well, that's coming on down, not down, but it's pulling back. Got a 1% discount there. Add on to your position. That's a boring stock. Somebody got to do the trash. USOY came down to 805 today. I need to waiting on Hood to go in and sell. I gave y'all BTCC. It's at $16.49. I've been buying at 16 and under. That's my buy price. I'm at $16.77. 55 shares. This pays out dividend every other week. AIYY back down 2.25% discount. I forgot you got to buy full shares now, so probably why everybody's selling it. I'm not going to do it. Just going to keep it for the dividend. PYPY did the same thing, so just keep it for the dividend. ACP I gave y'all this back running. Passed the, got up to 530 something, 537, 536. Y'all should be up in that one. RPT, you know, this is something I buy every day. Got a 10% quarterly dividend. Everything else looking good, man. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Cold world. Stay safe out there. Go get your money.